Welcome all. It is planet Earth that is modified by human in so many ways. Let us understand human settlements, transportation, and types of communication in this video. Our environment is constantly changing due to evolving human activities. Let us understand the human environment from the local settlements to regional communities at the global level. The story of human settlement began about 1 million years ago as early humans spread from Africa to Eurasia. One key species of the human was Homo sapiens, often called the wise man, who knew how to use fire, made tools, and often lived in caves. In the last 2 centuries, millions of people have traveled to the Americas and Australia in search of greener pasture. Access to water was a primary factor influencing human settlement. Fertile soil and a reliable water supply enabled humans to become farmers and establish settled communities. Find out names of some river valley civilizations. Why do you think students like to go to cities and metros for studies? Here are some types of human settlements. Temporary settlement, when people make their dwellings in a place for short period of time, it is known as a temporary settlement. Examples include refugee camps, nomadic encampments, the tents where people live for some time and then move to other places based on their requirements. When people settle down permanently in one place, it is known as permanent settlement. Hamlets, villages, settlements in town and cities are some examples of permanent settlements. Rural settlements are typically small in size. People here are often engaged in primary economic activities such as agriculture, fishing, forestry, and animal husbandry. Cities and large towns constitute urban settlements. People here mainly are engaged in secondary economic activities such as manufacturing of finished goods and commodities, processing of food and raw material, and tertiary economic activities like transportation, banking, commerce, administration, and wide range of other services. Early societies relied on walking and carrying their goods on their shoulders for transportation of goods. Later, animals were used to transport both goods and people. Humans also used animals to pull their carts. Pathways and roadways were built to facilitate the movement of people and goods much later. With times and technological advancements, different modes of transportation evolved. There is a widespread of network of roadways, railways, waterways, and airways nowadays. Roadways are the most common and widespread means of transportation. Roadways serve an important link between the rural and urban areas. Railways are very crucial for the growth of nation's economy and offer a relatively cheap, comfortable, and convenient means of transport. Railways link agriculture and mining areas with the manufacturing centers and markets. India has one of the largest railway networks in the world. The Trans-Siberian Railway is the world's longest railway line. Waterways are the cheapest and eco-friendly means of transportation. Lakes and navigable rivers make important inland waterways. Waterways are crucial for developing the international trade and commerce of a nation. The five Great Lakes, Superior, Huron, Michigan, Erie, and Ontario of North America, form a major inland water system between Canada and the United States of America. It is commercially very important for both the nations. The Suez Canal is an artificial sea level waterway in Egypt. It connects the Mediterranean Sea to the Red Sea via the Isthmus of Suez. This canal offers a direct route between the North Atlantic and Indian Ocean via the Mediterranean and Red Seas, significantly reducing the journey distance. Panama Canal is a man-made 82 kilometers waterway in the country of Panama. It connects the Atlantic Ocean with the Pacific Ocean across the Isthmus of Panama. This canal enables ships to avoid the lengthy and the hazardous voyage around the Cape Horn at the southern tip of South America. Airways are the fastest and often the most convenient means of transport. They can quickly cover the journey of long distances and difficult landscapes. Airways play a crucial role during emergencies and calamities. Humans are social beings who require communication in every sphere of life. Methods of communication have evolved significantly over the. There are two types of communication. The one is personal communication, that means having verbal conversations or sending letters or emails. Second type of communication is mass communication, which is possible through newspapers, television, and internet broadcasts. Thank you all for watching. Subscribe the channel for more such educational videos.